हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज आम एसजीपी टू हाउ पुअर वी आर 7th क्लास एसजीपी टू आज आम डिस्कसन करवा। एसजीपी टू कौन कौची? वन डे द रिच मैन टुक हिज सन टू द पुअर people living in a small hut down the hill. He had in his mind to show his son how rich he was in contrast to the poor farmers. He thought this would work like medicine for his son's sadness. When his son would see the poor people living in small huts, his sadness would disappear. He would realize how privileged he was in contrast to those poor farmers. In a beautiful car, he took him all around. He made him see the poor farmer living in wretched condition. For the first time, his son, who lived like a prisoner in a big house, got a chance to see the outside world. Throughout the tour, his father was telling how these poor people were living in a great difficulty. तो गोटे दिन कौन है ना आम फास्ट पार्ट्रे आम फास्ट एसजीपी डिस्कसन करते पुओ केमती सैड रोला एत सब माने सुख शांति विलास थाइक पुओ सब दुख रोला से बापा को बहुत चिंतित करूला। तो सी चिंता दूर करने मुंडटे भाविला मु से गरीब लोक पाखु नहीं जीवी। मो पुओ जो भितर बुलिकी प्रति कंडीशन को देखो जे से केमी विकल परिस्थिति रोचंती जो सुख सुविधा खाद्य नाही से केमी रोचन मो पुओ ऑटोमेटिक बुझीज जे सी केते भाग्यवान प्रिविलेज माने भाग्यवान जे सी एते सुख सुविधा विलास पाई आउ सी तार दुख दूरी होपर कौन है। On his way back, very satisfied, he asked his son, "Do you see how poor farmers are? What do you learn from this?" His son sadly replied, तो सी जो फेरिया बाटे सब पूरा टूर करेला से माने गरीब लोक कूड़िया पूरा टूर करेला से सभा शेष पचारा जे तुम सब देखिल आउ तुम कौन शिखिल देखिकी ता पुओ बहुत दुख भाव रिप्लाय कला, "We have one dog, they have four. We have one pool, they have river. We have artificial lamp, but they have the moon and stars. We buy food, they grow theirs. We have walls to protect us, they have friends. We have encyclopedias, they have Bibles. Thank Dad for showing me." सी कहला आम पाखे गोटे कुकुर अच्छी कि पाखे 4टा कुकुर अच्छी आम पाखे गोटे पुल अच्छी गोटे छोट माने आर्टिफिशियल पॉन्ड ताको कह गले चलो जोटा कि मनीष द्वारा तैयारी कि पाखे नई अच्छी जोटा कि पुल ठार बड़ आम पाखे आर्टिफिशियल लैंप अच्छी जोटा आम निजे तैयारी कर मून आउ स्टार अच्छी से मून आउ स्टार आलोक से आलोकित होती आम खाद्य किणुचु कि से निज खाद्य निजे ग्रो करें आम घर को आम वालटा प्रोटेक्ट कर वाल नथिले भी तांकर जो बंधु तांकर सांगसाथी अच्छा से प्रोटेक्ट कर आम पाखे एनसाइक्लोपीडिया माने सेट ऑफ नॉलेज माने गोटे एमितिया जिनस जो थर कि आमको माने वर्ल्ड रो बहुत प्रकार नॉलेज मिले कि पाखे बाइबल अच्छी बाइबल है ख्रीस्टान मान धर्म ग्रंथ आमर जमी गीता पढ़े आमको बहुत प्रकार ज्ञान मिले धार्मिक ज्ञान मिले से बाइबल भी हूँ गोटे एनसाइक्लोपीडिया। तो सी पुओटी कौच जे आपण को बहुत धन्यवाद मत ये सब कथा देखु हाउ पुअर वी आर रियली आई वांट टू लिव विथ देम। तो मत यहाँ देखु आम केते गरीब से तुलन आपण को बहुत धन्यवाद मुझे वास्तव में मुझे सांगे ही रहा चाहे। तो बर्तमान आम कम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा। व्हेयर डिड द रिच मैन टेक हिज सन वन डे? तो रिच मैन कुआड़ नहीं गला। रिच मैन टुक हिज सन टू द प्लेस व्हेयर पुअर पीपुल लिव्स इन देयर स्मॉल हट्स। What did he have in his mind? He had a thought that by this tour his son would see the wretched condition of the poor people and he would surely understand about his condition. What does the word this stand for in the third line? तो थर्ड लाइन रे जो दिस अच्छी से दिसटा को आम देखा he thought this would work. Here this stands for the plan which the rich man organized for his son. What would the rich man think of this? The rich man thought a plan to disappear a plan to disappear his son's sadness. What would he realize? He realized that what would he realize? He would realize that how privileged he was and how difficulty how the poor people were staying in difficult condition or a difficult condition. In which car he take his son all around? In a very beautiful car he took his son all around. What did he make his son see? He made his son see how the poor people were living in difficult condition or a ranged condition. तापरे how did the son live in a big house? The son lived in a big house like a prisoner. What was his father telling him all the time? His father was telling him how they live in a very good condition in contrast to the poor people. Was the father happy on his way back? Which word tell you so that? Tell you so. The line on his way back very satisfied told us that his father was very satisfied. The rich man's happiness got doubled to see the poor farmers. What about son? He was happy or unhappy? ता पुओ कौन थिला? ता पुओ unhappy थिला. His son was unhappy. What does we stand for in the line we have? We have means the rich man along with his son. Here we stands for rich man along with his son. Who are richer in having pools? In having pools, the poor farmer or the rich man? The poor farmers. How? Because they have a river which is much bigger than a pool. Which was much bigger than a pool. Sorry, is hବ କାହିଁକି ନା who are ବସିଛି क्वेश्चनଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପକାଇଛି ତ ଆନ୍ସରଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ହେବ. Who look better, artificial lamp or stars? Stars, because stars have their own light and a great impact on everyone. Who buy food? Rich man buy food. Who grow their own food? Poor farmers grow their own food. What does the rich man have to protect him and his family? The rich man has a big wall around the house to protect him and his family. Who do the poor farmers have to protect them? The poor farmers have friends among them to protect them, or the poor farmer have friends to protect them. Friends or walls, which of two can have some real protection? Answer alla friends. What was the feeling of his son? The son was feeling very sad. What did he want to do? He wanted to live among the or he wanted to live with the poor farmers. the father and the son look at the thing in different ways. In other words, their attitude or to the life is different. Whose attitude or way of looking at the things is better? The son's attitude of or the way of looking at the things is better than his father. एटा है आमर कंप्लीट आमर कम्प्रेhension डिस्कशन डिटेल बुझिकी जहाँ भी मत डाउट आसला गोटे कमेंट बॉक्स कमेंट कर पारिबो। थैंक यू।